Hello and welcome, everyone. Today's video is for all those people who want to start freelancing but say, I don't have any skills. If you think freelancing is only for designers, programmers, or video editors, then stick with me till the end, because this video might just change your life. So let's begin with a complete, step-by-step guide on how to start freelancing with zero skills. Step 1. What is freelancing? Basic understanding. Freelancing means working independently for different clients, without being tied to one company or full-time job. You can set your own rates, choose your own working hours, and work with clients from anywhere in the world. Popular freelance platforms Fiverr or Upwork, Freelancer.com. People for our top advanced level. Step 2. No skills. No problem. Learn skills for free. If you don't have any skills right now, don't worry. Thanks to the internet, you can learn almost anything for free, at home. Free platforms to learn skills. YouTube. Search for graphic design for beginners. Learn Excel from scratch. etc.coursera.org. Use the audit option for free courses. Google Digital Garage. digskills.pk. Great for learners in Pakistan. Ellison.com. Easy skills to learn in 15 to 30 days. Canva design. Create thumbnails, logos, social media posts, data entry. Use Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets virtual assistant, manage emails, calendars, and schedule as transcript. Convert audio to text. Content writing, blogs, descriptions, basic article. Social media management, run Instagram, Facebook page. Customer support. Chat services, English typing plus communication. Step 3. Pick one skill and start practicing. Choose a skill that you find interesting and start practicing it daily. Tips for practicing. Do free dummy projects for yourself. Help friends and family for free to build confidence. Watch tutorials plus practice side by side. Step 4. Build your portfolio. A portfolio shows your work and builds trust. Even if you're a beginner, you can still create a small portfolio. How to make a portfolio? Use Canva to design a PDF portfolio if you're a designer. Upload your writing samples if you're a writer. Share Google Drive links to your sample projects. Record screen videos showing your skill in action. Step 5. Create a profile on freelance platforms. Fiverr, easiest for beginners. You create a gig or service listing. Use catchy titles, clear descriptions, and keywords. Tags. Upwork, a little more competitive. You apply to job posts with proposals. If you have a solid profile and write well, it's a great long-term platform. Step 6. How to get clients. Client hunting tips. Use high-quality gig images and keywords on Fiverr. Send 5 to 10 proposals daily on Upwork. Active in Facebook freelancing groups. Share your skills on LinkedIn. Make short videos of your work and post them on social media.
Step 7. Consistency plus patience equals success. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It may take days or even weeks before you get your first client, but keep learning, improving, and applying. Every successful freelancer was once a beginner just like you. Bonus tips: work on your English and communication as a professional. Profile picture. Always deliver work on time. Build strong relationships with clients. Finally, if you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, comment below with the skill you plan to learn, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay motivated. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.